Hi. Today I will demonstrate how to sketch and design characters for your video games project. All the characters and game assets are available for free on my website. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel. First, sketch the concept of the character. You can use any pencil brush for the sketch. For this particular red pepper character I am using basic pencil charcoal brush. Don't worry about the detailing of the character in the initial phase of the sketch. Once the basic concept is complete, it's time to add some details to the sketch. Try to sketch as many times possible before moving to the detailing of the sketch. For the sketch of the hand, create a rectangular shape for the palm of the hand and cylindrical shapes for the fingers. It may take a couple of attempts to get the desired result. Check the horizontal mirroring for sketching the glasses of the character for symmetrical oval shape on both sides of the x-axis. Once the rough sketch of the character is complete, the next step is to refine the shape of the character before designing. Add a new paint layer and decrease the opacity of the layer containing the rough sketch. Increase the size of the brush to about 9 pixels and outline the character's sketch. After refining of the sketch, the next step is to use Bezier curve to outline the character sketch. You can use shape editing tool to curve the Bezier curve by manipulating its anchor points. Set the size of the Bezier curve to about 3 pixels. For the coloring of the character, you can either use bucket tool or the Colorize Masking tool. Both of the coloring tools works the same. I have covered the Colorizing Masking tool in my previous Krita video. Make sure to watch it before applying the Colorized Masking tool to the character. Once the design of the character is complete, go creative with the shading of the character. Use Airbrush Soft, Basic Flow Opacity, Basic Blend Brush and Basic Brush for the shading of the character. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumb up. Thank you.